Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to drop ship from Taobao to Shopee. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Taobao or Shopee, you can use our link in the description down below and you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So right here, as you can see, I opened my Shopee and Taobao website. So now you just need to log in first on both sides. And as you can see, you can drop ship using Taobao and you can drop ship it to your Shopee shop, as you can see. And by doing that, as you can see, you may be save some money to retail some product, some of the retail products that you buy and to sell again, some of them are expensive. So right here on Taobao you can see some products that you can sell again to your Shopee using dropshipping. And yeah, most of the merchant right here on Taobao offers dropshipping, so you just need to contact them and just message them and take a deal with them to dropship one of their products and dropship it on Shopee. And also, yeah, not necessarily you need to go to other merchants. Well, if you are a merchant yourself on Taobao, you can dropship uh from Taobao to Shopee, to save some money or to sell your products for a cheaper or higher price. So yeah, that's it. So that's the good thing about this drop shipping from Taobao to Shopee. So now, as you can see, so you need to create an account on Taobao. So first, let's just translate it to English so that we can understand what are we looking at. So yeah, since it is a Chinese website, all the texts are in Chinese. So make sure that you translate it on English. So now you need to log in or sign in with your Taobao account. So let's just go to use our phone number, sign up for free. Okay, translate it to English again. Register for an account. Make sure to agree and read the terms and privacy of Taobao and click agree and register. So now after you registered for an account, as you can see, you can now use Taobao to buy or sell some items. So yeah, if you're already a merchant here on Taobao, it's better. So you just need to go to your uh, Taobao, see some of your products to your on your page. And if you don't have, or if you're not a merchant on Taobao, and if you want to drop ship a for example a product, so now let's translate it again on English. And for example, I'm going to choose one of the products right here to drop ship. So let's just take it as a tutorial only. So yeah, but if you have your own products, you can use it and drop ship it right here. So for example, let's choose this one. Okay, yeah, this one. So yes, you can see, make sure that if you want to drop ship, make sure that you put the same description of this product right here from Taobao to your Shopee. Same description. For example, the available color size, the quantity, the quantity in stock, the delivery types, the location. For example, logistic in China. You need to input all of this and make sure right here you need to put all of this information, parameter information right here. So make sure that you save this information. You can just screenshot it if you want, and make sure you can also find some you know user review so that you can see the reviews of the people that buying this product right here, so you can see if it's good or not. And yeah, so you can see there's no user reviews for this product, but yeah, but this is only when you using other products. But if you have your own products, you can just go to your products and go down until you see user reviews, and you will see their if it's good. You can see if your product is good or not, and make sure that you only dropship good products, of course. And yeah, all of this. So now after you're done with this information. Make sure to save all of this information. Now you need to put this on Shopee. So let's go to Shopee and make sure that you register for a seller account. So as you can see right here, I already input my personal information right here. And right here for the business information, you need to put all of this information. So make sure that you have legitimate business account or online store account, so that you input all of the required information right here. You need tax information, business information, entity information. You need to have taxpayer identification number, VAT, birth certificate, registration, sworn up declaration. You need to put all of this product in order to sell on Shopee. So if you don't have all of this, you can't sell. So let's just submit it later, since I can't submit that now. If we click proceed, as you can see, if I click add products right here, this is where we will input all of this information right here. So you need to put the image, at least 3 image of your product, the product video if you have one, the product name, the category, the product description. So if you already have description for your product right here, you can, or if the merchant already have a description, you can see it right here on the graphics details. Yeah, you can put the informations uh from here, right here, since you're drop shipping, right? So yeah, you need to put the exact product description from Taobao to Shopee. And yeah, the sales information, the shipping, and others. And the shipping, it's up for the merchant that you're talking with, if they if they are good for the shipping fees or not. So yeah, you need to talk with the merchant responsibly. So you need to ask them. You need to have a deal with them. You need to show the shipping cost of the product, since this is going to be a international shipping. So there would be a higher shipping cost if that happens. So yeah, you need to talk with them, and after you have a deal with them, just put the shipping fees right here, and others you can just add it yourself. But since uh I don't have a business account, first I need to submit my informations. So yeah, you can just add the image, the product video, product name, category, product description, and after you put all of this right here, save and publish, and that product will be shown to your Shopify. And yeah, indirectly they will buy the customers that buys this product right here from Shopee that you added, they indirectly buying from Taobao, because since this is originally a Taobao product. This is a product that being sold from Taobao, and you just put it on your Shopify account. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can drop ship from products from Taobao to Shopify. And also that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.